Hi, this is Bill Miller with StartRealEstateWealth.com. I'm a real estate investor myself living in Austin, Texas, and part of the work that I do is to share my experience with those just starting out in real estate investing to help guide you on the right path to successful and profitable investing. What we're going to talk about in this video series is something that I specialize in, and that is tax liens investing. So let's talk about tax liens investing. Tax lien certificates are considered to be one of the safest investment vehicles, and it is so because it's very low risk, and also the returns can be great. It's really a great way to invest that I highly recommend, and I do this type of investing myself. In part 1 of this video series, we're going to go into the definition of what tax liens are, as well as go into a brief background of why they exist. First of all, a background on tax liens. Our taxation system actually originated from England. It's a very old system, and centuries old, as a matter of fact. And actually, the way they did it back then is the taxing authorities, they assess the net worth of the land that people owned. And because land is very visible and it's not portable, you can't move it, you can't take it with you. The government can actually attach a lien to it for non-payment of taxes on it. And so what happens is that the government will issue a tax lien certificate. And what this is an attempt by the government to recoup delinquent taxes on that property. And then what happens is that these certificates are sold to third parties who are the investors. And what this creates is a winning solution. The sale of these certificates pays off the tax debt, and the investor gets a nice return on investment. So that's the end of part 1 of this video series. And so far we've touched on the definition of tax liens. And in part 2 of this video series, we're going to get into the guts of tax liens investing. So thanks for watching, and go ahead and click on over to part 2 of this video series, and I'll see you there.